good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all? How are you all feeling today? Isn't it a lovely day? Yes, it's a new day. And which day is today? Today is the second day of which week? Yes, we are on our last week of study, right? It's our week 23rd. As I have already explained you, week 23rd is the last week. And after this week, we are going to have our reinforcement week in which we are going to study. We are going to actually reinforce everything that we have done up till now in this whole term. Yes, you know that, right? So in this week, we are going to cover everything that is there in this term, that is included in this term, that we need to cover, and we are going to complete our session, complete our syllabus in this whole week, right? So I hope you all are ready. I hope you all are studying. I hope you all are revising whatever we are doing. Yes, are you revising? That's very good. As I have already explained you, you need to revise whatever we are doing in the class. Every day you should revise that. Apart from doing the homework, you should do revision because in the next week, that is week 24, we are going to revise everything. We are going to do the reinforcement of all the things that we have done in term 2. For that, you need to revise also, because if you have any problem, if you have any issue in understanding any concept or any task or any topic, you can ask me and I will explain you before your final exams. So are you all ready for that? That's great. Now, today's topic is related to grammar. Okay, it is a very, very important topic which is there and which is needed and which you should know for your English grammar. And this topic is use of am, is, and are. What is the topic? Use of am, use of is, use of are. Now, when do we use am? When do we use is? And when do we use are? This is a thing that you need to understand. Now, am, yeah, am is used when you are talking about yourself. When you are talking, it is used with I, with singular person, I, and it should be in present tense. Like, I am teaching. I am reading. I am explaining. I am talking. I am writing. So am is always used with I and in present tense. Do you understand? Now comes is. Now is also used in present tense with singular noun like he, she, it. He is working, he is talking, he is eating, she is writing. It is a lovely day. It is Sunday today. It is Tuesday today. So is used with singular person and with he, she, it. Now comes are. Are is used with plural, but with present tense. Like we are studying. We are doing the task. You are going to school. They are playing. You understand? Okay. Now I'll show you this in written so that it is more clear to you all. There you go. Can you all see my screen, class? Yes, that's great. Now, you can see here, am. Am is used when the subject is I and in present tense. Like I have already explained you, am is used when the subject is I and when it is in present tense. Next, is used when the subject is a singular noun he, she, or it, and again it's in the present tense. Like I have explained you, he is working, she is writing, it is a lovely day, but it should be in present tense. Now comes are. Are is used when the subject is a plural noun, you, we, or they, and in present tense. Like they are eating, he is working. You understand? So all these words, am, is, and are, they help in making a lot of doing words. You can say these words help in making doing words, like I am teaching, I am explaining, I am writing. So teaching, explaining, writing, they are all doing words. In the same way, if I say is used again with singular noun in present tense, like with he, she, and it, right? He is he is jumping, they are playing, she is talking. Now all these jumping, playing, talking, they are what? Yes, they are the doing words. So they help in making doing word and explaining doing word. Excuse me. In the same way, are. You are eating your breakfast. Now again, which is the doing word? Eating. They are playing in the playground. Again, playing is a doing verb. We are going to school. Going again is a doing verb. You understand? So what happens that how these words help in making doing words is that, like am plus verb name and plus ing. While using these words, you need to follow some rule. So what that rule is, I'm going to explain you through my whiteboard here. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand. Can you see my board? Okay. Now, what are the rules? Now, rules are how you are going to use. Now, am, the word, if you are using am, so first you have to use am, then plus you will use any verb family word family, plus ing, This is the first rule with am. Now what is the example for this? For example, I am reading a book. I am reading a book. You can say here, you can see here, am plus verb family. What is the verb family here? Read is the verb family and plus ing. I have added ing to make this correct sentence. Do you understand? Now, in the same way, when you are using is, again, is plus verb family and plus ing, the same way. How? Like suppose you can say the cat is sitting, the cat is sitting by the door. The cat is sitting by the door. Now, what is I have used, then what is a verb here? Sit is a verb. So I have added ing with that. So is plus verb family plus ing, like the cat is sitting by the door. Got it? Now comes are. Again, same way, are plus verb family and plus ing. Now how? Suppose they are playing. They are playing in the park. Right? Now what is the verb here? Playing. And so with are, I have added verb family, that is play. And with play, I have added ing because it should be in present tense. Remember, the verb will be in present tense, then only your work would be correct. So you understand the rules. With am, you will use the verb family plus ing. Same way with is, with use you verb family plus ing. With are, again you will use the verb family with ing. So these are the certain rules that you need to follow while you are using am, is, and are. It is very easy. You will always use am when you are using we are, when you are talking about I. When you are using I in a sentence, you will always use am. Like I am teaching, I am writing, I am explaining. With is, you will use he, she, or it. Again, it will be in present tense, right? Are is used with plural, that is more than one. So they are, he, them, we are, you are. You will use with plural form. You got my point? Yes? Okay. Now let's see what we have for you. Now, I'm going to read out few sentences and you are going to tell me the words, right? Whether it is, whether it is are. Okay? We dash reading a poem. What is going to come? We. It will be are. Correct. The mice dash hiding. The mice. It is not a mouse. It is mice. Plural again. The mice are. Correct. The cat dash waiting for the mice. The cat, one person. The cat is waiting. I dash enjoying the poem. I am enjoying the poem. We dash playing a game. We are playing a game. Very good, correct. Now it means that you are able, you have understood the concept of the use of is and are. Yes, now let's do small exercise. I'll write it down here on my board and you are going to copy the words and then you will write it down in your notebooks. Now, what you need to write down, you have to write down first these rules in the notebook, okay? And then you are going to write these few exercises that you have that I have written over here. You understand? So I'll just highlight it. Okay. Now, can you see my board? I want you to write down this rules for, you will write down this heading, use of am, is, and are, and then write down these rules. Got it? I'm going to give you 7 minutes for this task and your time starts now. Okay. Have you all written? Time is up. Great. I hope you all have copied down the rules. Now you need to remember this. Once you remember this, you will not have any issue, any problem in using these words later on in sentences or in your everyday language. Oh, I hope you must have enjoyed today's session and you must have learned something. And I hope you will remember to revise everything that we have done throughout this week. Yes, class? Okay. So see you later in your science lesson. Bye-bye.